इस टाइम भारत में चारों तरफ लोकसभा इलेक्शन की बातें चल रही हैं। इस समय में देखने को मिल रहा है बीजेपी ने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी थी उससे इस बार उसका बहुत डाउनग्रेड हुआ है। तो उसी क्या रीज़न रहे बीजेपी के डाउनफॉल की, क्या रीज़न रहे कि बीजेपी सिर्फ 243 सीट्स पे ही सिमट गई, इसके बारे में हम आगे वाली वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वी लिव इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री where we have freedom to speak, to represent our view. So in a democratic country the representative choose by election. The election of 2024, the Lok Sabha election, is a game changer for BJP. BJP loses lots of seats in many states. So in today's video we see what reasons the downfall of BJP. So let's start it. Firstly, what went wrong for BJP and Modi ji in 2024 Lok Sabha election? There are total 543 seats in our India Lok Sabha election. Indian margin, the Indian alliance margin was 102 seats. इंडिया अलायंस ने पहले से 102 सीट्स की बढ़ोतरी की. It's gain 102 seats. And in other ways BJP loses how many? 59 seats. BJP loses 59 seats by earlier election comparison. वोट शेयर, जो वोट शेयर था इंडिया अलायंस का वोट शेयर है 41.3%, whereas BJP वोट शेयर is 46.2%. BJP needs 272 seats to form a government by its own, but the condition in 2024 Lok Sabha election is that BJP is not able to get 272 seats by its own. It get only 243 seats. So it is BJP dependent on its alliance. So we make a list where is BJP get downfall in which state. वो कौन कौन सी स्टेट हैं जहां बीजेपी को बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान हुआ, उसकी वजह से बीजेपी ने अपने वोट बैंक को जो है लूज कर दिया. फर्स्ट स्टेट कम उत्तर प्रदेश. इट इज ह्यूजली बिगेस्ट लार्ज स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. देयर आर 80 सीट्स इन उत्तर प्रदेश, बट एनडीए गेट ओनली 35 सीट्स, whereas इंडिया गेट 45 seats. Second most largest state of India is Maharashtra, whereas total 48 seats, but NDA get only 19 seats and India get 28 seats. The next state is West Bengal. West Bengal had 42 seats total and NDA get only 10 seats. And India alliance get 32 seats. Next state is Karnataka. Karnataka has 28 seats of its total, but NDA get only 18 seats and India get 10 seats. But आप लोग बोलेंगे कि कर्नाटका में तो बीजेपी ने अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, बीजेपी हैड डन गुड परफॉर्मेंस इन कर्नाटका, but in the comparison of last election BJP has large downfall in this state like Karnataka. Next state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is very impactful state for BJP. Total 25 seats, but NDA get only 14 seats and India alliance get 10 seats in Rajasthan. Next, Jharkhand. There are 14 seats in Jharkhand total, but NDA get only 9 seats and India get 5 seats. Next state is Punjab. Punjab has total 13 seats, but By the coincidence, BJP gets NDA gets 0 seats in Punjab. What reasons BJP have for these practices in Punjab election? But see, Haryana have 10 seats, but NDA get 5 seats and India Alliance get 5 seats. In earlier in Haryana, BJP get 10 out of 10 seats. So the next question arises in our mind: what went wrong with Modi ji and BJP? It's a thinking question. So let's see the answer. There are many reasons for these incidents, but we conclude some reasons those we want. So let's discuss. First reason, I think high unemployment and inflation have taken place. The aggression of the public in paid jobs is very high. Second reason is, despite the Indian economy emerging as among the top performance globally in terms of growth rate, rising prices of necessities. It's very important. The increment of necessity daily use the prices of these things are go higher to higher, like gas cylinder, fuel prices, the tax we import, etc. Lack of jobs under the Modi government in the last 10 years and the opposition promised 30 lakh jobs was probably successful in the gaining of confidence of voters. Means in the last 10 years in Modi government, the jobs are very less, and the opposition claims he gave 30 lakhs of jobs. So the people are attracted to the policies of opposition. The next reason is Congress provision of giving 8,500 per month and rupees 1 lakh every year and poor women in the Rahul Gandhi spiritual court. We see in the election propaganda, Rahul Gandhi give the speech of the poor women get rupees 1 lakh per year and 8,500 rupees per month. The Agniveer scheme has also worked against it, as can be seen from the dent in BJP performance in Rajasthan and Haryana. Yes, the Agniveer issue I think it is played an important role in downfall of BJP in Haryana and Rajasthan. The two states were higher a number of youth joined defense forces and the paramilitary. These two states, Haryana and Rajasthan, the people of these states are connected to joining the paramilitary force and military forces, air forces, etc. An aggressive campaign were Modi made and several unnecessary remarks against the opposition, primary reason for the BJP poor performance. Modi ji used some words like Mangal Sutra, mutton, Muslim reservation, the charge of Pakistan will be in Rahul Gandhi. So it also create an impact in public mind. He also said the opposition can go and do mujra. Yes. In an interview, the Modi ji said the opposition go and do mujra. Also accepting the corrupt leaders from other parties could be one of the reason. Modi government say the leader of the Congress is corrupt. But what we see? in next death. That corrupt leader is in the BJP. So it is also big reason. We see next reason that how Modi government changed Indian politics. When Modi became the PM in 2014, it was a clean break in Indian politics. Why it is a clean break of Indian politics? Because before 2014, the Congress party not get the 272 seats in Lok Sabha election, means a clear majority. But in 2014, the Modi government break the record and gain the clear majority and made their government. The BJP had enough of seats not to depend on any other alliance party in 2014. This was the reason for the downfall of the BJP. Some other reasons are also included in this. We talk about the game changing in Uttar Pradesh in next video. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.